Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Hyundai Elantra. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to be discoverable. Next, navigate to the Setup menu on your Elantra's infotainment screen. From there, select the Bluetooth option and then choose Pair New Device. Your car will then search for available devices. Select your phone from the list to complete the initial pairing process. Beyond Bluetooth, your Elantra offers other convenient ways to connect. You can use a USB cable to connect your phone, which often provides both charging and media playback capabilities. Simply plug your phone into the USB port. Alternatively, for audio only, connect your phone to the auxiliary input jack using a standard 3.5mm audio cable. Remember to select the correct input source on your car's stereo system. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, try restarting both your phone and your Elantra's infotainment system. Sometimes a quick reboot resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car's memory. This can prevent conflicts. Finally, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as software updates often include connectivity improvements. To maintain a reliable connection, keep your Elantra's infotainment software updated. Check your owner's manual or dealership for information on updates. Also, regularly clean your phone's charging port to ensure good contact, as dust or debris can interfere with USB connections. For those on the go, staying hydrated is key. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy seamless connectivity on all your drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.